Absolutely. What killed RESTKit is because RESTKit was coupled with Alamofire 1.0 before URL session existed. And then Apple introduced URL session to replace NS URL connection. And everyone's like, oh, let's use it. But RESTKit was so coupled with the old Alamofire 1.0. And Alamofire 1.0 couldn't use URL session. So they created Alamofire 2.0.
Yeah.
AF networking 2.0. And what happened is that they never had the time to migrate to 2.0 because all the APIs changed, everything changed, and it would break everyone's code. So they just say, you know what, forget it.
Yeah.
And the framework died, and there was a bunch of code bases probably still use it and have to maintain it on their own. So parse as well. So it's easy for us to think that this framework exists and it's never going to go anywhere, and boom, gone. Suddenly, async display kit, remember, for UI. To replace UI kit. Render your UI in a background thread to performance improvements.
But from the developer point of view, like this is not that of a threat, but for the business point of view, that's like critical. And it, like as you progress, in your career, and becoming more senior and leading teams, like this is something to think about. This is something to take it seriously.
So if you couple all your code with one of those frameworks like RX Swift or something like this, you need to say, if they stop maintaining it, I'm going to maintain it. And I have the resources to do that. So I'm happy doing that. And then as a team decision, say, are we all happy? Yes, we are happy. Let's couple it. Yeah, fantastic. But it needs to be an informed decision, right? Because there is risk.
Yeah, that's a very good point. Yeah.